Hi guys, hit that like button and subscribe. Let's go. So today we're playing Brookhaven. Enjoy our banger video. Let's go. So I'm Fulton at Brookhaven. I'm gonna go with my house, which I do not upload yet. So I'm gonna press the binoculars with me. 3, 4, 5. Silent the side of my house. I'm going out my way. And why is it always blurry, guys? Why? Even the microphone is blurry. I'm just kidding, though. So I'm gonna get my gaming house like I usually do every time. But not every time. I just vlog whenever I want to vlog. Doesn't really anyway. Okay, I'm getting the gaming house. So, what should I do? Wait, I can go up here. Oh, this shot. And you're speeding. Yes, sorry, it's not speeding. Bro, it's not to be speeding. Okay, I don't know how to get it. No, just get up the stairs. I don't really know. Wait, no. Wrong game, guys, wrong game. I will just get it. Please.